This video will show you how to install Universal Security Instruments smoke detectors. To install a battery-powered smoke alarm, start by removing the bracket from the smoke alarm. If it does not come with a 10-year battery backup, insert the battery. Next, position the bracket on your ceiling and mark the position for the anchors before drilling 2 holes on those marks. Then, insert the anchors into the holes and secure the bracket to the ceiling. Next, secure the alarm to the bracket. Test the alarm to ensure its functionality. To install a hardwired and battery backup alarm, start by turning your power off at the breaker. Then, remove the bracket from the smoke alarm. If it does not come with a 10-year battery backup, insert the battery. Secure the bracket to the junction box. Wire your smoke alarm by securing the fixture's black wire to the hot supply wire, and the fixture's white wire to the neutral supply wire. To interconnect multiple alarms, attach the red wire to the red supply wire. Otherwise, leave the insulated wire cap in place. Secure the quick connect to the back of the alarm, and push the wires inside the junction box before securing the smoke alarm to the mounting bracket. Alternatively, you can flush mount the alarm by following the previous steps. Restore your power at the breaker, and test the alarm to ensure its functionality. During construction, be sure to use the dust cover while the dust settles.